Hey everybody, I wanted to take a few minutes and make a video showing you this vintage Schwinn Speedster, this blue color, because it's really a time capsule or a really excellent example of what Schwinn used to be. So let's go ahead and do a quick video. We'll start up here. Classic grips, both very nice. Chrome is really nice all over. Good fenders. This one is a bit of a barn find, so with that I say minor oxidation. And by minor oxidation I'm talking the kind that takes about that's probably about a 10-minute job on the front wheel with some quad zero steel wool just to make it pop. Great looking Schwinn pedals on both sides. Nice solid sprocket. Hit that again with some steel wool. This is what the photographs can't do, this little walk around of everything, showing you the condition. Very nice. They don't make the quality like this anymore. Of course, it's got nicks and little defects in the paint because it's been a bike that's 50 years old almost. There's another one. The center bar, but it's very straight, very solid. Great looking seat, good saddle, good rear reflector assembly. Hard to find those nowadays. The back tire again is got that oxidation on it, and the tires of course are dry rotted from the age, but the hub would clean up nicely with a little oil and a rag, and the quad zero would save the day on this everywhere. But a beautiful bike. Great looking badge, Chicago badge on the front. Here's the frame number if you care. EN544434. I'll turn this around, we'll do the other side. I think it's got a little, is this aftermarket? Yeah, it's a little odometer. Like about 700 miles total on it. Kind of a neat little gadget. We'll take this to a bike shop and they will take the pedals off, turn the handlebars, take off the front tire to fit into a small bike box, smaller bike box to get it to you safely. Let's look at the other side. And as promised, here is the other side. I took this around to the shady side of the deck because it's just too hot and too bright. This one came out of the local Schwinn shop that's called Bueller's in Wausau, Wisconsin. There you go. Looking for a new owner, looking to make a new owner happy. Thanks for watching.